Hi everyone, and welcome. In today's breastfeeding tutorial, we're going to learn how to use a breast pump comfortably while getting the most out of each pumping session. The first step is preparation. Wash your hands carefully and make sure all of your breast pump parts are clean, completely dry, and assembled correctly. Using clean equipment helps protect your baby from germs and keeps your expressed milk safe. Before you start pumping, try to relax. Sit in a comfortable chair with good back support. You can gently massage your breasts for 1 or 2 minutes using circular motions. This simple step helps stimulate milk flow and may make pumping easier. Some mothers also find that placing a warm compress on the breasts for a few minutes helps encourage milk letdown. Now, place the breast shield over your breast, making sure your nipple is centered inside the tunnel. A properly fitted breast shield is important because it helps prevent discomfort and allows milk to flow more efficiently. If you're using a manual breast pump, begin with light, quick squeezes to encourage letdown. As your milk starts flowing, slow your rhythm and use longer, gentle squeezes. If you're using an electric breast pump, begin with the lowest comfortable suction setting and increase it gradually only if it remains comfortable. Stronger suction does not always mean more milk. Comfort is more important than high suction. While pumping, keep your shoulders relaxed and breathe normally. Avoid leaning forward because it can cause neck and back discomfort. Watch for a steady flow of milk and continue pumping until the flow slows down